What evil lurks in the hearts of men? The Shadow knows.
Once again, your neighborhood blue coal dealer brings you the thrilling adventures of the Shadow, the hard and relentless fight of one man against the forces of evil. These dramatizations are designed to demonstrate forcefully to old and young alike that crime does not pay.
I've decided to take a bit of a different approach here for the rest of the cabinet. As I've been working on the cabinet with some sanding material, using sanders and Dremel tools and whatnot are proving to be pretty impractical down here on the rest of the cabinet. And I had some recommendations in email and from my sister-in-law that perhaps paint stripper would be a good idea. So I've decided I'm going to use paint stripper on what's left of the areas that need to get stripped of the old paint to put on the new paint. And I think we'll be doing a much better job. To get this furniture stripping done, I've brought home some furniture stripper, which claims to be good for antique furniture, old paint, varnish, urethane, and lacquer. Got a small jar, safety goggles, gloves, and a paintbrush that I'll be able to live without. I've got a small test spot here on the radio that if things don't work I can sand it down. Unfortunately I don't have any inconspicuous test spots, so I'm just going to go for one right up top. Alright, and without any further delay, we'll see what this does on my little test spot. Just right here. According to the label, we're to keep it nice and saturated with this stuff until the paint starts to bubble, at which point we start scraping. It's been several minutes. I'm just going to take my little kind of Brillo pad thing here and see what comes off. Well, it's definitely taking something off. I have a feeling though I probably need to wait a little longer. Aha, now we're going. There we are. That's the result we've been looking for. Hey, dang, that works pretty good. I used my paint scraper here ever so gently, so I'm just going to keep painting this up. Painting and scraping and see how far I can get. Ooh. Oh yeah, that works well. Here we go. And I don't have to go digging and scraping too hard in the wood either. Well, I'm going to carry on. We had really good luck with the paint stripper, and what else we did here is put some wood filler in where we pulled those cracks shut earlier on. And Connor, you come and do some sanding. See that white stuff there? Just come back a little bit here. See that? See this white stuff here?
Yeah.
Sand that off.
Yep.
Sand it down. Make sure she's nice and smooth. And I think we're ready to do some painting. We get started. Okay, we're only going to paint this part here, the wood part, okay?
Okay.
Don't paint the green part.
Okay.
Don't paint this part.
Okay.
Just paint these parts.
Okay.
All right?
Alright.
Now you dip and then wipe. See?
Yeah.
Dip and wipe. Okay?
What are you doing now?
And start to paint.
I think that's going to be a good gloss.
Actually, what we're doing is we're putting on, I'm going to use up the rest of this satin. I'm going to use that as the base coat.
Okay.
I'm going to put the gloss over top of it
Okay.
as the final coat.
Now that's good. Daddy.
Yeah, anywhere in there.
Okay. Hey, I got paint on myself.
Oh no!
No.
Well, that's the nice thing. It's latex paint and it washes right off.
It doesn't matter. You can wash it off after. No.
We're going to need a couple of coats for sure.
Yeah. Couple of coats.
Yeah.
Can Daddy want it? It's fun, Daddy.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yep. Yeah. Nice job.
Here's our first coat of brown paint. Not a bad job. And it will dry to a satin finish, much like we have up here. And after that, I'm going to do the final coat with a gloss finish. And I think that's going to give it the look that I want. Well, that completes that brown trim all the way down to the floor. Now that was the look I was hoping for. I guess the lesson to be learned here, well, in my case, don't be afraid to change your mind. After seeing the satin brown, I decided it really wasn't what I was looking for. So I did the rest of it in a gloss brown. And that gives it a finish that I'm happy with.
The shadow will demonstrate that
The weed of crime bears bitter fruit. Crime does not pay. The shadow knows.